As a data practitioner, you are the most trusted member of your team, the one everyone relies on to get accurate insights. You constantly need to arm your executives, your team, and your decision makers with dependable information so they can better understand customers, improve operations, and drive revenue. But you need accurate data fast to drive insights. The reality is, data is stored all over the place. Data has gotten more complex with more and more formats, types, and exploding data volumes. Traditional tools are hitting their limits. Excel struggles with large data volume. SQL queries and scripts are hard to maintain. Turning data over to IT is a slow cycle. Even newer, user-friendly data prep tools that might look promising at first will only give you a partial picture of the data, as they can only work with small data samples. Frankly, you need a better solution, one that is intuitive, robust, and can handle all your data. You can get all this and more in Paxata Self-Service Data Preparation. Paxata brings all your data into a single interactive and visual interface for you and your team to collaborate on discovering, cleaning, joining, reshaping, and enhancing your data to get it ready for showtime. Its built-in smart algorithms help you profile and discover patterns, joins, and anomalies across all of your data, fast and without writing queries or code. Best of all, Paxata records all of your actions automatically, so you can repeat, reuse, share, and trace back your workflows anytime, while ensuring governance and security. After using Paxata, publish your work to business intelligence and analytics tools, portals, databases, or business applications. What used to be data is now information. And decision makers trust Paxata because insights are drawn from all your data, not tiny samples. Don't you think a big data solution should handle big data? Paxata Self-Service Data Prep, visual, interactive, and intelligent data prep at scale.